Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Chhasatia Desai. I'm an endodontist. I was practicing in Mumbai earlier and now I'm in Surat. Regarding Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's workshop on finance, I must say that this is one of the best decisions of my life. The way Sir teaches, it was a very personalized approach. It was a very customized content for us as dental entrepreneurs. There are many things which we do not know financially, though many of us have a little bit of knowledge scattered here and there, but nothing was so coherently put up together the way Dr. Bhavdeep did for in this workshop. I found it very useful. I have been following his columns and his videos regularly. They have always been very educative, and in spite of that, particularly this workshop offered a lot more. The IT return filing, the balance sheet understanding for someone who has phobia of numbers like me, these were like nightmares, and Sir has designed it so well that I could not just understand it, but I could actually make sense of it. I could make the balance sheet myself, and that made me know my financial know-hows very well. At the same time, financial planning regarding my own personal portfolio analysis, that was the added advantage, added cherry on my cake, I must say. Sir helped us through every step. He gave us a lot of content. He gave us a lot of buffering time in between each lecture to absorb all the information that was given to us. At the same time, he also gave us exercises. He did not spoon feed us in that ways. He made us do the exercises. He made us pinpoint. He just gave us pointers, and we were made to identify our own mistakes and then rectify it, and that really helped us imbibe this completely. So I am very happy with this. Thank you very much, Bhavdeep sir, for such a wonderful workshop, and the value that was given in this was much more than the fees that were charged. I am really indebted, and I genuinely suggest everybody to undergo this workshop, especially if you are a self-employed, even if you are a salaried dental professional. Sir has explained everything very beautifully. So thank you very much, sir, once again for everything.